Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day. My name is Jani Aisa Olita. I am 40 years old. I have 4 children. The age of them is 14, 12, 10, and 8 years old.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for my family needs, to earn money for study of my kids and future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have working experience, work in Doha, Qatar, and 2 years and 10 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities is cooking, ironing, washing clothes and dishes, going to market.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
I took care of children. The age of them is 1 year old, 5 years old, and 7 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I took care of them, bathing, feeding, assist them their homework and playing sometimes.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
My skills is I know how to cook Filipino dishes and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. And I know how to take care of pets like cat, dog, and bird.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As a good domestic helper, necessary to be honest, loyal, trustworthy, flexible, hardworking person.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Hopefully, choose me or select me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, honest, trustworthy, flexible, hardworking person. And thank you. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.